How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a vein workout, so to get your veins popping. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerger999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be finger extensions. We'll do 20 reps, 5 sets, 100 total repetitions. So that being said, let's get started. So finger extensions, all we're gonna do is this. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Just like that. And you could see my forearm muscle working while doing that. So we'll do 20 reps, again, 5 sets, 100 total repetition. Started making videos today at 7:45. It's now 8:30. This is my 4th video, so doing really well so far. Yeah, pretty good. Had a new low weigh-in today, weighed in 182.6. Yesterday and the day before, I weighed in 183.6, and those were low weigh-ins. So today was a new low weigh-in by a pound. I'm gonna be fixing my diet a little bit today. Just for today, I wanna see if I can actually drop another 2 pounds by tomorrow. What I will be doing is dropping my sodium in half. So right now I've been eating like crap, if you guys didn't know, and I've been eating 4,000 milligrams of sodium a day. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drop it to about 2,000. And that should help me drop quite a bit of water weight, and we will see tomorrow. So after this set, I'll kind of tell you guys what I will be eating, what I will be swapping out. But first, let's do another 20 reps. And when I'm doing these, I'm only doing one arm. I recommend you guys do both arms. Again, I just do one arm just to show you guys for demonstration purposes. Just like that. So yeah, morning was good. Actually, morning wasn't good. My stomach's absolutely killing me I had some protein cereal. So maybe I should have just had some coffee in the morning. But either way, had some protein cereal, some milk. For lunch, instead of having a sandwich with bologna and cheese, I will be having a peanut butter and jam sandwich. Just because the bologna and cheese are very high in sodium, the bologna and cheese alone have about 1,600 milligrams of sodium, which is freaking phenomenal. Maybe not 1,400 for sure, 1,400 milligrams of sodium. So the PB&J, the peanut butter and the jam, have maybe 200 milligrams of sodium. So I saved quite a bit of sodium just by having peanut butter and jam. And for supper, instead of having pizza pops, which have about 1,300 milligrams of sodium, I'll be having chickpeas, which have no sodium. So right there, from the bologna and the cheese, I'm gonna save about 1,200 milligrams of sodium. From the pizza pops, another 1,300 milligrams. So right there, I'll be dropping my sodium by 2,500 milligrams. The chips, I have chips for a snack generally, that is 1,000 milligrams of sodium. I will be having peanuts instead. Peanuts are very low in sodium, so I would say probably 150 milligrams per serving, so about 300. So I'll be dropping another 700 milligrams of sodium. So I should be able to drop about 3,200 milligrams of sodium, and should leave me with about 1,000 milligrams maybe. That's too low. You want about 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams of sodium a day. But for one day, it's not gonna hurt me. And again, by doing that, I might be able to drop an extra pound or 2. It's kind of a cheap way of losing weight because it is a water weight, but it still counts. So I will be doing that. I'm gonna see if that can drop me a couple pounds. It'd be nice if I could drop 3 pounds from doing that. So go from 182.6 to about 179.6. That would literally make my day. Like that would be so dope. I haven't been below 180 in about a year and a half, maybe 2 years. So would be pretty cool. Another 20 reps, then we're done. So 1, 2, And you can see the muscle being worked right here. Right there, you can see it being worked. Okay. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.